Hello, and welcome to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your online experience better. In this video, we'll be showing you how to draw on your story in Facebook on your Android device. Adding drawings to your Facebook story can make it more personalized and interesting. Follow the steps below to learn how to draw on your story in Facebook on Android. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on the Your Story icon at the top of the screen. This will bring up the camera screen where you can create your story. Select the type of story you want to create, such as a photo or video. Capture or upload the content you want to use in your story. To start drawing on your story, tap on the Draw icon located at the top of the screen. It looks like a pen. Select the color and thickness of the brush you want to use. Draw on your story by using your finger to make strokes on the screen. You can also add multiple drawings to your story by tapping on the Draw icon again and selecting additional colors and brushes. Once you've added all the drawings you want, tap on the Done button to save your changes. Finally, tap on the Share button to publish your story on Facebook. And that's it. You've now successfully drawn on your story in Facebook on your Android device. Adding drawings to your story can make it more creative and engaging. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.